So finally your day of CSEET exam has come, the day for which you were preparing so hard, right? Need not worry at all. This exam is going to be a cakewalk for all of you. You all have studied hard, we have covered all the portions, you would have gone through recorded lectures, watched marathon videos. Now just make sure you are cool and calm for tomorrow. We have done intensive MCQ practices, done all the MCQs from e-bulletins. Now just make sure you're cool, calm and do your last moment revisions. Now what are the important things which you need to keep in mind before tomorrow? Number one thing, you can give your exam only from a computer or a laptop. No, mobile phones are not allowed. Second thing is, you need to ensure that you have a power backup, right? In case you have a power cut problem in your area, or even if you do not have, it's always better to be safe. So have either your laptop completely charged, or better to have a UPS backup. Next thing is, make sure that your internet is good and it's not fluctuating. Next, make sure you dress properly. Do not wear informal dress or something like sleeveless or your nightwear or something of that sort, okay? Because although you are doing this exam from home, cameras are on, audios are on, you need to be dressed appropriately. Very, very important is, make sure it is an empty room. Otherwise, what happens in the previous attempts we have seen, although they were in an empty room, but nearby there was a lot of sound, or someone suddenly came into the room and there was a break in eye contact, this all led to the exam getting cancelled by calling it as use of unfair means. Alright. Next thing is, ensure camera is on always. Make sure to do a proper check of your laptop, or if you're using a desktop with a webcam, that your camera is working properly. You would have given your mock exam already on 6th of November, so you know this drill already. Next, do not break eye contact. Even if no one is there in the room, do not keep looking here and there, because the AI thinks that you are using unfair means in that. Next thing is, make sure you log in before 30 minutes to ensure that everything goes smoothly. And make sure that your audio is working, okay? If you speak something, that audio gets recorded, so use a proper laptop for that. Now these are the things which you need to ensure is happening. What is it that you should ensure you are not doing? Number one, do not carry calculator. Even if you do not intend to use it, do not have a calculator in front of you. No notebook, blank sheets, pens, pencils. Do not carry anything near you. I mean, do not have anything near your exam area where you are going to sit for the exam. No headphones, no Bluetooth, no mobile phones. Make sure your mobile is not in your room itself as far as possible, okay? Else keep it on flight mode, silent mode if you want to keep it. But my suggestion, do not keep mobile phone in your room. Do not forget, in case you have a habit of wearing Bluetooth or your AirPods or something, do not forget to take it off. No headphones are allowed. Otherwise, it will be calculated as unfair means. So this is all about your basic rules and regulations. All the best for your CSEET exam. I'm sure you're going to pass this exam. If you have studied even for the last 10 days intensively, I'm sure you will pass it. The main game changer is your CS executive exams. So go ahead, give your CSEET exam, and I will see you for my CS executive batch. All the best.